Wow, wasn't that exciting? I was taking in our bakery. Here's the hospital. Wonderful St. Francis. Not a bad place to work. Couldn't show you everybody in there though. They may not want to be put on camera. But the people in the bakery, they didn't seem to mind. One of them was my boss. The car doesn't run me down. Out here, Blue North. This is where I go to smoke. Well, it's gonna bounce. This film is gonna bounce around if I even upload it to YouTube. This is the only place I'm allowed to smoke out here. Technically, I'm still on the property. That sidewalk just down here. Crappy light. There we go. Here comes the sun. There's Children's Hospital. Let's see. I wonder if I can zoom on that thing. I wonder if zoom works. Yep. Yeah, closer. Fuck. Can't see too much of the hospital down this angle, but rotate around over here. That over there, my friends, is the Fortune Park. It is a golf course. And yes, they are watering the lawn in 102-degree weather. Makes perfect sense, doesn't it?